Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today, we have a Stitch Fix box. And when I was taking the package out of the box to get ready, it tore and everything fell out of the box. So, I don't have a cute bundle to show you this time, but everything's there. And we're just going to get right into it. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, there's a referral link down below for $25 towards your first box. It's my mom's referral link. And then there's more in the description below about Stitch Fix as well. It is a styling service, and I love it. If this is your first time here, hello, I'm Rachel. If this is not, you'll notice my hair is a little bit blonder nowadays. But yeah, anywho, we're going to read our stylist note. Hey Rachel, yay for your 5 for 5 last time. I had a 5 for 5 last time. One of my daughters and I, watched your unboxing and she thinks you're the coolest and super fun to share them on YouTube. Thanks. It's just a fun little hobby. Time to jump into these beauties. I'm going out on a limb with the French gray dress. It has a light background, but it's leopard print and it's stretchy. It will easily take you into fall when you add leggings or tights as the weather gets cooler. I couldn't resist sending you another cropped jumpsuit. Wear it to work with the Report Footwear Mules some shoes. And a cardigan or on its own with sandals or your mules when you socially distance with your friends. Pair the beacon tank with shorts on hot days and dabble in fall colors with the 9 Britain top. Wear it now with shorts and jeans later. Take care, and I can't wait for your feedback. XO, Kristen. So I forgot to write a note this time because it's been really busy at my house because we are moving. So, yeah, so we've been busy. So my videos might be a little bit more few and far between in the next coming month or 2 or 3 or so. So, alright, let's get into it. My box is way over here because when I had my box on before, I packed. So, yeah. So now my box is in my lap. So we're going to try to do this as nicely as I can. Alright. So the first is the jumpsuit. It is by Kaylee. The other two from the last box, I'll put that video up here, were from Kaylee as well, and I love them. I've worn them a bunch so far. This is the Shauna sleeveless jumpsuit. So Kristen, I would love if Kaylee has a short sleeve jumpsuit. I would really like that. Because I know you can just throw a cardigan on and stuff over the jumpsuit. I don't know why I'm trying to button it. Anyway, because I'm just going to have to unbutton it. Here is the jumpsuit. It is like navy with these kind of like abstract-y polka dots. And the other one is like a cross like that. So that's nice that this one's connected right here. So you don't have to worry about it falling open. And it has pockets, just like the other one. And it has that tie here too. So it's pretty similar to the one I kept last time, except for it doesn't, you know, crisscross right there. It's just connected. So it feels really nice. It's like same material as the black one from last time. And next we have that dress from French Gray. It is the Kelly faux wrap dress in taupe, but it's like an animal print. If I can, this is hard with the box on my lap. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. So it is an animal print. Looks like someone tried it on already. It is an animal print. Here we are. Faux wrap. It has a tie on the side. It's cute. Usually lighter, I don't know, sometimes I feel like light colors don't look great on me. But we will try it on. And she says it's stretchy. It must be stretchy in the waist because this material is not stretchy. So, oh yeah, so there's elastic in the waist, it looks like. So there we have that. I don't like the color of this one, but I like the way it feels because it's 9 Britain and their stuff is so soft. But browns just don't look good on me. I don't know what it is. But browns just don't look good on me. I like the color of the floral though. The floral's really pretty. And it has kind of like a fluttery sleeve there. And this is the 9 Britain Burn Flutter Sleeve Knit Top in Burnt Orange XL. So I like the floral. I don't like the brown background, but we're going to try it on. And beacon Estella button down tie front knit tank in red. Kristen. They're real buttons, so that's gonna spread like no other. I can't do real buttons. I know I've said it a few times, but I think sometimes you can't tell when like they're picking out what they're gonna send you if they're real buttons or faux buttons, so I get that. But that's a really pretty pattern for those of you who don't mind real buttons. It's really pretty with the red and then like the blue floral. I think that's a really nice contrast. It has a tie in the front, if you can see that. And lastly, we have the shoes. Alright, let's do the shoes. The lighting is really weird in here today. It's like rainy out today, so sorry. Ooh la la. Okay, I like these. Let's see. Those are cute. Nice slide-on mule. I like slide-on shoes. That's really nice. I like it. I like it. That could be the, those could be what I'm keeping. I don't know. If I keep anything, we'll see. I had a 5 for 5 last time, so do I need to keep anything this time? Not really, especially because we're moving and, you know, I don't need to move more stuff, but that's really cute. It's like, it feels really nice. Where's the name of it? Report Footwear, Inkerman Slide Mule in Tan. Alright, let's try stuff on. So here we have the first fall top. I'm ready for fall. I don't know about you guys. I have jeans on today. I'm ready for it. It's been hot lately. So here's the first top. I like the way it fits a lot. I really like the sleeves. I like the flow of it. I just don't like that brown. If the background color was something different, I would probably keep this. There's the back. But yeah, I don't know. There's something about brown. It just doesn't do it for me. I just realized I didn't put on any jewelry today. That's fine. So yeah, but it's so soft. It's that 9 Britain. Super soft. Let's pan down. I have the shoes on. They are so cute. I love a pointy shoe. I don't know about you guys, but these are so cute. They're comfy. I would totally wear these to work. And I didn't notice before, but there's actually like little metal spots, like little things around there like that. I don't know if you can see it on there, but maybe you saw it when I showed you earlier. They're really cute. They're nice color. Go with everything. I really like these. I haven't kept a pair of shoes from Stitch Fix before, so these might be the winners. I don't know. Alright, let's try on some other things. Buttons. They just come apart. Otherwise, this is super cute. I mean, yeah, I could sew it. It's really nice, like soft, slippery kind of material. I could sew the button shut if I wanted to, but I just don't need it. You know, I don't need this. I don't need this. No, I don't mean it like that. I don't need it in my wardrobe at this time. You know what I mean? But it ties. It is like actual sewn on ties like that. So it's not like it just comes to a point you could wear it untied. It has ties there. And I'm not going to spend too much time in this shirt because of too many wardrobe malfunctions. But really pretty color. I really like the pattern. I think that's really cute. It's just going to come apart. So if you don't have issues with buttons, like I said, super cute. Here we have the jumpsuit. I just love these Kaylee jumpsuits. I tell you what. So super stretchy and soft. It flows nicely, you know, and the stomach area. It's cropped, which cropped on me is, you know, normal length because I'm 5'4". Super cute. I don't think I need it. It's pretty similar to the one she sent me last time. Let's pan down. I'll show you the length. But I do like how it doesn't come apart right here, so you don't have to worry about that. I think I would have to get it a little tailored to like come up like that because there is some extra room right here. But here's the back. Has a nice keyhole in the back. Here's the length. So it's cropped, but it comes like right just above my ankle. So this is really cute. It's stretchy. You guys, I recommend these Kaylee, you know, cropped jumpsuits. If you're short, ask for a cropped one, you know, because long ones are too long sometimes, and these fit just right. So I don't need it, but it's cute and I really like it. Okay, this dress is super cute. I like the cuffed sleeves. Even though the material itself isn't stretchy, there's enough room because this band here is stretchy, and it's like a faux wrap, right? Yeah. So it's a faux wrap, so if this blows up, I mean, there's your skirt underneath. And then in the back, it's just kind of straight back, has a little tie right there. I'll show you the length. It is really cute. I don't need it, but I like it. I like it. Let's see if the light comes back. There we go. So there's the length. I don't think it's too short. I think this would be really cute to wear to like a wedding or something. I really like these cuffed sleeves. It's cute. It is cute. Oh, you guys, I didn't write anything in my note to Kristen this time. I kind of forgot because, you know, everything going on. So she just kind of sent me stuff she thought I'd like, and she wasn't wrong. I like it. I just don't need it. I don't think I would wear it to work unless I wore a shirt under here. And I just don't like that look on me. I think it just kind of cuts me off weird. But yeah, this is a really cute dress. You guys should request it. It feels really nice. Alright, let's go over prices. That was a close-up, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just going to leave the dress on to go over prices because it is really comfy. And I actually like the pattern. I like everything about it. I just don't need it right now. And I kept everything last time. So, let's do this. Let's do this. French gray. Kelly. Now, if you request it, it's Kelly, K-E-L-L-Y-E. There's an extra E in there. Why? I don't know. French gray Kelly faux wrap dress in taupe, $58. So if I needed a dress, like if I would have requested a dress to wear to like a wedding or go somewhere or do something, I'd be like, yeah, I'm keeping it. Report footwear Inkerman slide mule in tan, $49. I really liked those. So I might be keeping those. Those might be the keeper if I keep something. Beacon Estella button-down tie front knit top in red, $34. That's a really good price for that top if you like button-downs. It was really soft, like not soft like the 9 Britain soft, but like slinky kind of soft. The Kaylee Shauna knit cropped jumpsuit in navy, $58. That's what the other ones were in my last Stitch Fix box. And the 9 Britain Bern, B-E-R-N, flutter sleeve knit top in burnt orange is $34. So that was a good price for that top too. If it were a different color, I would probably keep that. But I don't do brown. I don't know if that's in my styling stuff, if I checked off brown or not. But stylist pick subtotal $233, buy all discount minus $58.25, so $174.75 would be the whole box, which I think that's a good price range for a Stitch Fix box in my opinion. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That's my whole box. So yeah, I don't know if my next Stitch Fix box, if that's gonna be in our new house or not. We'll see. I might still be here by the time my next box comes. But yeah, it's exciting. It's gonna be good. We got some work to do on the new house, but it's gonna be good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, there's a description about Stitch Fix below. There's all my referral links below if you want to try Stitch Fix, Wantable, Fashion, Ipsy. I don't know if I have my Ipsy one, but I'm getting a makeup box coming like this week too, Ipsy. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.